Have you ever wondered what constellations are visible in the September night sky? Welcome to our celestial tour, where we'll be revealing the starry treasures that await you this month. We'll guide you through the cosmos, introducing you to the constellations, planets, and other celestial bodies that make the September sky a spectacle to behold. This journey is not just about identifying what you can see, it's about understanding the cosmic dance that unfolds above us. As we take this journey together, we hope to help you deepen your appreciation for the night sky, sparking a sense of wonder and curiosity about the universe we inhabit. Whether you're a seasoned stargazer or a curious newcomer, there's always something new to discover in the ever-changing canvas of the night sky. So, grab your telescope or just sit back and enjoy the celestial show. Join us as we embark on a celestial journey to explore the night sky. As dusk falls, a few constellations make their grand entrance. The early evening sky of September is a grand stage for these celestial patterns, each with their own tale to tell. First, we have the mighty Orion, the hunter. Rising in the east, this constellation is easy to identify with its three-star belt. According to the ancient Greeks, Orion was a giant huntsman whom the gods placed among the stars. He is one of the most prominent and recognizable constellations, and his appearance announces the coming of winter. Flanking Orion are his faithful companions, Canis Major and Canis Minor, the greater and lesser dogs. Canis Major is home to Sirius, the brightest star in the night sky. This star is often called the Dog Star, and is said to be Orion's loyal hunting dog. Canis Minor, while smaller, is no less significant. It contains Procyon, the eighth brightest star we can see from Earth. Next, let's turn our gaze northward to find the regal Cassiopeia. This constellation forms a distinctive W shape, symbolizing a throne. In Greek mythology, Cassiopeia was a vain queen who boasted about her unrivaled beauty. For her arrogance, she was placed in the sky, forever circling the North Star. Nearby, if the conditions are right, you might catch a glimpse of Pegasus, the winged horse. This constellation is associated with the tale of Perseus, who rode Pegasus after slaying the Gorgon Medusa. The early evening also presents a planetary parade. Shortly after sunset, look to the southwestern horizon. Those two bright stars you see are not stars at all, but the gas giants Jupiter and Saturn. Jupiter, with its distinctive bands of clouds and four largest moons, and Saturn with its stunning rings, are celestial sights you won't want to miss. These constellations and planets are the early heralds of the September night sky. Each one has a story to tell, a myth to share, and a celestial spectacle to offer. So the next time you find yourself under the early evening sky, remember to look up and let these celestial bodies guide your gaze. As the evening progresses, other celestial bodies make their appearance. Just when you thought the night sky couldn't get any more enchanting, it reveals a few more of its secrets. On the northern horizon, the constellation of Cassiopeia forms a striking W shape. A queen from Greek mythology, Cassiopeia was known for her vanity. Now, she sits on her celestial throne, her five brightest stars forming the distinctive W. This constellation is circumpolar, meaning it never sets from most northern locations and is visible no matter the season. Close to Cassiopeia, you might spot the constellation of Pegasus, the mythical winged horse. Look for a large square pattern of stars, known as the Great Square of Pegasus. This square forms the body of the horse, while lines of stars extending from one corner depict its neck and head. But the stars aren't the only ones putting on a show. Two of our solar system's gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn, make their appearance in the mid-evening sky. Look to the southwestern horizon shortly after sunset. The brighter of the 2 points of light is Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Even a small telescope can reveal its four largest moons, appearing as tiny pinpricks of light close to the planet. The other point of light is Saturn, a planet famed for its majestic rings. While they can't be seen with the naked eye, a good telescope will reveal them in all their glory. Saturn's largest moon, Titan, can also be seen with a backyard telescope. These celestial bodies, each with their unique stories and features, add to the spectacle of the September night sky. So next time you gaze up at the stars, remember, you're not just looking at points of light. You're looking at ancient myths, other worlds, and the vast, unending beauty of our universe. These celestial bodies add to the spectacle of the September night sky. September also brings its share of meteor showers and lunar phases. Let's start by taking a look at the meteor showers. One of the most anticipated celestial events of the year, the Perseid meteor shower, extends its performance into the early days of September. Originating from the debris of Comet Swift-Tuttle, these shooting stars put on a spectacular show that's worth staying up for. So find a cozy spot away from city lights, lie back, and watch as these celestial fireworks light up the night sky. Now, let's shift our gaze to our closest celestial neighbor, the Moon. Throughout September, the Moon dances through a cycle of phases, each offering a unique tableau for night sky observers. It begins as a thin crescent, gradually waxing to a brilliantly bright full moon, before waning back into shadow. Each phase presents a different face of the Moon, revealing a constantly changing landscape of craters, mountains, and valleys. But why does the Moon's appearance change throughout the month? Well, it's all about the Moon's position relative to the Earth and the Sun. As the Moon orbits Earth, different portions of its surface are illuminated by the Sun, creating the phases we see from Earth. Why are these phases important for stargazing? Well, during a full moon, its brightness can outshine faint stars and galaxies. But when the Moon is in its crescent or gibbous phases, the night sky is darker, making it an ideal time to observe deep sky objects. So, keep an eye on the lunar calendar when planning your stargazing sessions. From the dazzling streaks of the Perseid meteor shower to the Moon's dynamic phases, September offers a range of celestial spectacles. These phenomena add dynamism to the September night sky, transforming it into a vibrant stage where the cosmic drama unfolds. So, grab your binoculars, head out under the stars, and let the cosmos take your breath away. But the September night sky has more to offer. As we venture deeper into the cosmos, we encounter the hidden wonders known as deep sky objects. These celestial bodies, galaxies, nebulae, and star clusters, may be farther away, but with a little patience and a good telescope, you can catch a glimpse of these astronomical treasures. One such gem is the Andromeda Galaxy. This spiral galaxy, the closest one to our own Milky Way, is a staggering 2.5 million light-years away. But don't let that distance deter you. On a clear, moonless night in September, the Andromeda Galaxy can be seen with the naked eye. It appears as a faint, misty patch in the sky, located just to the right of the constellation Andromeda. A telescope, however, will reveal its true beauty, a swirling mass of 1 trillion stars. But galaxies aren't the only deep sky delights. There's also the Ring Nebula, a planetary nebula in the constellation of Lyra. This celestial object is the glowing shell of a star like our Sun that has shed its outer layers. The Ring Nebula's delicate smoke ring-like appearance has earned it its name. To spot it, look for the bright star Vega in the constellation Lyra, then use a star map to find the nebula nearby. Finally, don't miss the chance to observe star clusters. The Hercules Globular Cluster, for instance, is a dense ball of hundreds of thousands of stars. It's located in the constellation Hercules, and it's a sight to behold under a dark sky. Deep sky objects require a bit more effort to spot, but the rewards are well worth it. These celestial wonders provide a tantalizing glimpse into the vastness and complexity of our universe. So, grab your telescope and embark on a journey to these far-off places. These deep sky delights are the hidden gems of the September night sky. Before we conclude our tour, here are some tips to enhance your stargazing experience. To truly appreciate the celestial wonders, find a location far from city lights where the sky is darkest. It's here that the stars truly come alive. A star map or a stargazing app can serve as a trusty companion, helping you identify constellations, stars, and planets. Whether you're using a telescope or binoculars, remember, it's not about the size of your equipment, but how you use it. Patience is key, as your eyes need time to adjust to the darkness. And don't forget to dress warmly, as nights can get chilly. Most importantly, let curiosity be your guide. There's an entire universe up there, just waiting to be explored. We hope this tour has sparked your curiosity and encouraged you to explore the September night sky. Until next time, keep looking up.